name's Tom. I've got a 73 Camero, just a sport coupe that I've built. Took me about 5 years. Had a lot of help from friends, and have enjoyed every bit of it. The issue I had was the car's pretty close to being perfect paint-wise until I dropped my dirt bike into it, and the handlebar, nice little golf ball sized divot right in the door. And it became one of those things where I'd go to a couple car shows with it, and the first thing I see when I walk around the car was that divot. And I'm like, I can't live with that. You know, I started talking to a buddy of mine who's painted the car, and he gave me Kevin's number, and Kevin came out and took him about 25 minutes. He had the dent gone and no damage, and we're good. And so me dropping my dirt bike into stuff's no big deal, I guess.